besties! Good evening! Ano nga ba ang sikreto mga besties? How we burn our belly fats with this amazing powerful tea in the world. Watch this video mga besties!
Fasting is the number one way to burn your belly fats. This is my belly fat before, and this is my belly fat after. In this video, I will show you kung paano kayo nagawa ng walang kahirap-hirap. Alam niyo ba na ang fasting ang number one way to burn your belly fats? But most people don't know na actually kaya-kaya niyong mag-fasting in an easier and faster way. Skipping breakfast ang nakakatulong sa inyo para mas bumaba ang sugar level at insulin levels niyo. So habang nasa fasting period ka, yung body fats mo nababurn at na-fuel into energy. But did you know that most of us nahihirapan talaga sa fasting dahil tayo mga Pilipino, sanay tayo sa breakfast at naniniwala tayo na breakfast ang pinakamahalagang meal sa buong araw. At may mga tao talagang hindi sanay mag-fasting dahil nakakaranas sila ng pagkangatog, pagkahilo, madaling pagkagutom, at yung iba talagang nagko-collapse pa sa fasting. But this tip na ipapakita ko sa iyo, it helped me a lot in terms of fasting at alam kong makakatulong din ito sa iyo. First, I take this tea every morning. It increases your hormone called GLP-1. This GLP-1 is sobrang importante lalo na sa fat burning. This promotes insulin secretion at pinapababa nito ang blood glucose, which result to use your stored body into a fat burning mode. And the best part, it increases the level of satiety in your brain. E ano naman yung satiety, bestie? Ito yung naturally occurring hormone na nagsasabi sa'yo na tama na ang kain, busog ka na. It has natural Ozempic na walang side effect. Yes, you heard it right, walang side effect. And by taking this amazing and natural Ozempic, I was able to lose 10 kilos in just 5 months. And it helped me to burn my belly fats in faster and easier way. Ito na talaga yung pinaka-safest and easiest way to burn your belly fats. And if you want to give it a try, just comment P para isasend ko sa inyo lahat ng details. Bye, besties!
Besties, nang dahil lang naman sa amazing tea na to, nag-lose lang naman ako ng 10 kilos in just 2 months. Abangan niyo mga besties, excited na akong i-share sa inyo kung ilang kilo na nga ba ang na-lose ko in 3 months. Coming yan on July 26. Kaya besties, kung gusto nyo na magkaroon ng ganito na belly, comment tea at i-guide ka namin bestie.